how to glue the 220-volt bulbs with 11 kV supply. Is it possible or not? Let's talk about it. The answer is yes, it is possible. To glue 220-volt bulb with an 11 kV, that is 11,000 volt supply, you must connect approximately 50 bulbs in series. Here in this case, we have to apply the voltage divider principle, and this ensures the voltage is getting distributed equally with each bulbs by receiving roughly 220 volt, which preventing them from burning out. To complete the task, what are the key requirements and safety measures? Let's talk about this. To complete the task, you should not connect a 220 volt bulbs directly to 11 kV as it will explode. So here the total voltage is 11 kV, which is divided across the 50 bulbs, that is 50 into 220 volt, that is around 11 kV. So to ensure the 11 kV line is handled by the qualified professional as it is extremely high voltage.